Sooner or later, every self-publisher comes to a point where they should think about Amazon KDP research tools, because those tools make a huge difference. Having the ability to choose keywords based on the search term, the search volume, and to spy on your competitors provides an enormous competitive advantage. Quickly, you will come across tools like Helium10, Publisher Rocket, or similar tools which offer exactly these types of analytics. Of course, these tools are extremely comprehensive, but they also have their weaknesses. A major drawback, especially for beginners, is usually the price. For instance, Helium10's standard plan costs nearly $100 per month if you don't use my discount code. And let's be honest, most of us typically use free tools within Helium10, the Black Box, Cerebro, and Magnet. On the other hand, Publisher Rocket costs between $200 and $300 as a one-time payment. And of course, Publisher Rocket has good features, but for example, it doesn't allow you to directly do a research on Amazon itself. This leaves you, especially as a beginner in self-publishing, stuck between spending a lot of money or having a research tool at all. So far, no tool has truly managed to strike the perfect balance between comprehensive research features and an affordable price. Well, until now. Today, I'm taking a close look with you at the research tool Sellersprite, and together we will find out if Sellersprite really achieves the perfect balance between price and performance. Stick around until the end so you can get the full picture and hopefully make the right decision for the long-term success of your Amazon KDP business. So what is Sellersprite exactly? Sellersprite, just like Helium10 and Publisher Rocket, is a general Amazon research tool, but it is also very suitable for Amazon KDP. With Sellersprite, we can analyze data in real time, spy on competitors, and access many other powerful features. Essentially, it offers the same capabilities as Helium10, but at a much more affordable price. Let's briefly outline the key features before we dive deeper into the analytics. Product research. Find out how well specific products are selling. Keyword analysis. Discover search terms that have high traffic and search volumes. Competitor analysis. Check exactly what your competitors are doing and how you can outperform them. Ranking monitoring. Track your own rankings, optimize your listings, and monitor product placements. Günther? Hey Matthias, all of this sounds nice, but before we continue with your video, I need to know how much this costs. Otherwise, I'm not watching any further. Got it? Alright Günther, let's clarify the price for Sellersprite right now. Normally, Sellersprite costs $70–90 per month and offers exactly the same features as Helium10. But as you know, I'm quite resourceful. I reached out to the people from Sellersprite and got a fantastic deal for you. Very important. You absolutely have to use the link in the video description for this deal to apply. You will get Sellersprite for just $20 per month. That's right, $20 per month, providing you with the exactly same features as Helium10 and far better than Publisher Rocket. Now that we have clarified this important detail, the price, we can dive into all the tools and functionalities of Sellersprite. The Sellersprite user interface. Here we are on the user interface of Sellersprite.ai, and what I already find really cool is that it's extremely intuitive. At the top, you can manage your profile settings, and here you already see the tools selection. Just look at this wide array of tools, exactly as comprehensive as Helium10, but there are several features included in Sellersprite's standard plan, which Helium10 doesn't offer in its standard plan. It would definitely exceed the scope of this video to cover every single feature, so I will focus on the most important ones relevant specifically to Amazon KDP. Of course, feel free to explore the other tools yourself, to get a better overall picture. Broadly speaking, there are 4 main areas. We have the product analysis, listing optimization, free tools, and keyword analysis. One very cool feature I haven't seen anywhere else is that you can add specific modules directly to your favorites. So if you're always using keyword researches, just add it as a favorite and it instantly appears at the top for quick access. Here's a quick overview of all features again in summary form. You have the opportunity finder, finding new product opportunities, everything related to keyword optimization, operations and analytics, and free tools. For instance, when you click on competitor lookup, competitor analysis, always click get started. You can read a guide on how it works, very helpful, and even watch a video tutorial. After clicking get started, you will see we are now within the product analysis feature, and all these tools from the start screen are listed again here. For this tutorial, we will use the currently very strong niche of air fryer recipe books. Our example book is this air fryer made easy recipe book. In the first section, we simply enter the ASIN and immediately get initial information about the product listing, current bestseller rank, number of reviews, rating, as well as additional info like categories. Great for first quick overview, but there is much more to explore. The second tool is product research. Essentially Sellersprite's counterpart to Helium10's black box. Here you select the marketplaces based on where you want to perform competitor analysis. Very important, you need to choose the category books. You can't directly select it. You have to type it manually at the top. Once you've typed and selected books, you confirm your selection. Now you can input various criteria like show me all books priced at least 15 euros with at least 400 monthly sales and XY star ratings. After entering your parameters, simply click search now and you will find all relevant informations. Next is keyword research. You can select different marketplaces here and even specific months. For example, show me search volume data for certain months. You can set many detailed filters, and for instance, if we enter our keyword air fryer recipe book and click on search now, we immediately get all relevant results related to our query, such as Ninja air fryer recipe book, air fryer recipes, recipes for air fryers, and so on. You can also apply an incredible number of fine adjustments. For example, you can say only show me keywords that have at least 14,000 monthly impressions or at least 1,000 monthly searches. You are truly not limited here, and to get this level of detail for just 20 bucks with so many customization options is simply incredible. With the ABA search terms, for instance, you can analyze keywords on a weekly basis and see clearly, okay, these are the 3 most clicked ASINs for this keyword. You can even see the conversion rates. For example, this air fryer recipe book has a conversion rate of 5.5% for this keyword, and another one has 22.22%, significantly higher. That's why it's ranked higher organically. You can spend hours and hours diving deeper into this area. Next up is the design patent feature. You can directly check if certain keywords might be protected by patents. An extremely cool feature that I've never seen in other tools before. These were the key features within the opportunity finder. Just these alone are already extremely powerful, comparable to what you get with Helium10, but Sellersprite gives you even more features. And always remember, all this for just $20 a month. Believe me, you won't find something like this anywhere else, and I guarantee that. Now, moving on to the important area of keyword optimization, I would say this is truly the heart of Sellersprite, especially for us self-publishers. Here, for example, you can use bulk mining to input 200 keywords and immediately get detailed data about them. Or you can use keyword magnet, where you enter a main keyword like air fryer recipe book and instantly receive additional related search terms. You can set numerous filters such as how many sales a certain keyword generates and much more. Now comes a feature that I've been searching for a long time and haven't found anywhere else until now. Let's say your main keyword is air fryer recipes or recipe book with a monthly search volume of 5,074 searches. What's absolutely mind-blowing here is the click concentration, the percentage of all clicks that go to the top 3 ASINs. For example, the top 3 ASINs get 43% of all clicks for this keyword, and it gets even crazier. PPC bid, Amazon advertising based bid. Here you can immediately see how much you would approximately have to bid, in this case about 38 cents, to be relevant in advertising for this keyword. I will soon show you another absolutely incredible feature, so definitely stay tuned. We move on to the next tool, still within keyword analysis, and that's the reverse ASIN lookup. Here you enter an ASIN. For our example, we use this Philips air fryer recipe book, keyword 44.7, and you can see some seriously amazing insights right away. Organic search volume of 64 and paid searches volume of 428, meaning 95% of traffic is oncoming through advertising. Now it gets truly crazy. Listen carefully. Here are all keywords for which this book ranks. For example, for air fry cookbook, the organic ranking share is 70% and 30% comes through advertising. But it gets even better. You can directly see how much the competitor bids on this keyword. For air fryer cookbook, they are bidding 94 cents, meaning you immediately know how much your competitors pay for advertising to rank on number 1. So you simply bid 2 or 3 cents more and outrank your competition. Your competitor essentially has to reveal their strategy. Here, I've never seen such detailed competitive insights before. And as mentioned before, this is all included for just $20 a month. Within this feature, you can enter up to 20 ASINs at once, similar to Helium10's Cerebro tool, comprehensively analyze multiple competitors simultaneously. That's it regarding keyword optimization. There are 2 more tool sections, free tools and operation and analytics. I won't go too deeply into the free tools. Feel free to explore these yourself, but let's quickly look at operations and analytics. Here, for instance, we have Ads Insights, which gives you detailed insights into your competitors' advertising. Again, I entered our Philips air fryer recipe book as an example, and the data you get here is absolutely incredible. You see exactly how many campaigns your main competitor is running. 39 campaigns at the moment with 39 ad groups. And the crazy thing, all these ad groups are exclusively for keyword targeting. Absolutely insane. You can even see exactly in which month your competitor started advertising. I've never seen a tool offer this depth of insights before, allowing you to directly analyze competitors down to how many campaigns they are running and how many keywords are included. You can get a massive amounts of informations and directly use that data to beat your competitor. Next up is the related product tool. You just enter an ASIN and the tool instantly shows the main competitor. Other book projects similar to your chosen Philips air fryer book. This is incredibly useful if you are planning, for example, to create a Philips air fryer book yourself, complete with key information such as bestseller ranks. For instance, this book is ranked number 1122 in the books category. You immediately see all the covers at a glance and quickly determine what's working. Black covers works well, red doesn't, and so on. If you want to go back to the main dashboard, simply click your profile icon at the top, then click Overview, and you're back at the Sellersprite home screen. Wow, that was a lot. Let's take a deep brief here. I've rarely seen a research tool delivering such a big, incredible amount of data and pulling so much competitive information. All the tools within Sellersprite are high quality and offer seemingly endless analytical possibilities. Very important, always focus on what's most relevant for your Amazon KDP business. But let's be clear, neither Helium10 or Publisher Rocket provides you with this much detailed information for such a competitive price. Before we now slowly wrap things up, I still have one more great tip for you. You've probably noticed that Sellersprite offers an incredible amount of tools. And at some point, it can become overwhelming. Ideally, you would want to perform all these analytics directly within Amazon instead of constantly switching between Amazon and Sellersprite. And that's exactly what Sellersprite's Chrome extension is for. You can download it right here on the homepage under Download Extension. You will see the latest version available and you can use it on Chrome, Edge, Safari, iPad, and many other platforms. Now, for example, here we are in Chrome. As you can see, I've already added the extension. We are on Amazon.de. Looking at air fryer recipe books, I still have Helium10 active here. Let's quickly disable it. This is how your listing would look without any tools. Pretty bare, no data at all. Now let's activate Sellersprite and look at this. It's incredible. You instantly see all the relevant data. It's just insane. I see 15,000 monthly units sold for this keyword, an average bestseller rank of 30,000. An average price around 10 euros, an average rating of 4.5 stars, and an average review count of 282. Scrolling down, you see all products listed, and directly underneath each product listing, there's an information box with the ASIN. You can instantly copy this ASIN or directly jump into Sellersprite like the reverse ASIN lookup. Then Sellersprite opens in the desktop view and you can perform even more detailed analysis directly from Amazon. I highly recommend this Chrome extension to everyone because you can immediately perform all your analysis directly on Amazon. So what's the final verdict on Sellersprite? At the beginning, I posed the question, is there a tool that perfectly balances excellent analytical capability and affordable pricing? I have to say, Sellersprite achieves this balance perfectly. The data provided is extremely comprehensive. I honestly believe it even offers more analysis and data possibilities than Helium10. And we are paying 1/5 of the price. Very important, this special deal works only if you sign up using the link in the video description. If you don't, you will pay the regular $79 monthly. Honestly, at $20 per month, these insights are practically a gift. Also crucial in my opinion, you always have a free trial period lasting a few days to test out all the features for free, after which you can decide whether it fits your needs or not. Additionally, very important, Sellersprite offers a money back guarantee, which is always important to me. I only recommend tools that I personally use, tools I truly believe can help you in your Amazon KDP business. But of course, what's the point if I think the tool is great and you don't like it at all? Naturally, you would want your money back, and that option is available there. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments below. Are you currently using a tool like Publisher Rocket or Helium10? Have you tried Sellersprite out before? What do you think about this perfect balance between powerful analytic tools and an excellent price point? Let's discuss in the comments. I'm definitely excited to hear your opinions and wish you a lot of fun testing out Sellersprite.